let's move. How do you activate your Canva account in DepEd? Okay, so the simplest way to activate your account is actually via single sign-on. So, we've made it simple para wala na kayong alalahanin, wala na rin kayo masyadong isipin in terms of login. Your Canva credentials actually sit on top of your Microsoft 365 account. So meaning every teacher and every student na naka-activate at nagagamit ng kanilang Microsoft 365 account, that's all they need so that they can log into the official DepEd Canva team. So we want to also make it as simple as possible for every user para hindi na tayo malito kung paano mag-log in. So again, when you go to this link, simply it will prompt you to log in with your DepEd email address and password. It will actually ask you to log in via SSO, and then it will follow the same login process kung paano kayo mag-login sa inyong M365 account. So ganyan po yung marang magiging view ninyo. Okay? Now, if di kayo napunta sa, by any chance, biglang binuksan nyo lang yung Canva, tapos hindi nyo pinuntahan tong link na ito, may option 2 tayo, which is via the Canva website or app. So, kung meron kayong Canva app sa inyong mga phones or naka-install yung app sa inyong mga desktops, simply go to login or sign up. And pinaka-importante yung number 3, choose continue with email. So you can see naman on the screen. So just make sure that you always choose the option na may nakalagay continue or create account via SSO. Okay, so ngayon kasi para ma-redirect ang mga teachers natin sa official DepEd Canva team, kailangan mapindot nila yung continue or create account via SSO. Okay, so ganyan yung process natin. Yun nandito sa video na nagpe-play ngayon sa screen. Okay, so you might be wondering, meron na akong Canva account before, and this is actually true to many of our teachers kasi nga we launched this in 2020. When we launched the free subscription, we allowed teachers kasi to sign up to Canva for education via their own personal DepEd email addresses. So currently ngayon, marami tayong teachers na may personal silang Canva for education gamit ng kanilang DepEd email address. So ano yung mga implications ngayon na naka-onboard na sila sa official DepEd Canva team? So, yung mga existing teachers natin na may mga accounts sa before at ginamit nila yung kanilang DepEd email address, kailangan pa rin nilang mag-login via SSO so that they can be onboarded to the official DepEd Canva team. So it's really crucial that once they re-log into Canva, they will now do the login via SSO. So we understand that this change can sometimes be difficult to communicate to the field. And so that's why we're also making efforts na, number 1, for example, nilagay namin to sa memo na in the hopes na mabasa siya ng lahat ng teachers. And we know that's not enough. So what we're gonna do is from now until around June, we're gonna continue with email communications para ma-ensure na ma-remind yung mga teachers natin that every time they log into Canva, kailangan naka-log in via SSO para maipasok sila sa DepEd Canva team. Okay. So you might be wondering what's the difference between the two Canva teams. So itong bagong login po natin via SSO, this will now be the new and centralized DepEd team. So meaning in order for all teachers and staff to really maximize the premium access of Canva for education, including, for example, accessing brand kits, collaborating with fellow teachers who sit on the same domain, kailangan kailangan ilipat natin sila sa official DepEd Canva team. Okay, so to give you parang snapshot summary kung ano ang difference ng dalawa. Okay, so again, marami tayong teachers na ka-onboard dito sa left side, yung left natin na box. So meaning meron gumawa sila ng personal workspace dati, libre rin naman yung Canva for Education, and they actually have access to all of the templates as well. On the right side, this is the new Canva team for DepEd. It's the official DepEd Canva team. This is actually a place wherein DepEd teachers can collaborate and work on projects and probably share resources to one another. This will guarantee that you will have continued access to the premium version of Canva, our elements, our templates. You will also get access to official DepEd brand kits and templates for staff. So I mentioned earlier that we are working with the Public Affairs Office Public Affairs Services Office to create official brand templates for DepEd. And eventually, we will be working with your offices to also create templates. For example, like sa mga lesson plans, yung mga ganun, yun yung mga vision natin, no? So hopefully, kapag nalagay po natin yan doon, if you are on the official team, then you get to access those and you get to use those and localize it. And yeah, and definitely, you will get access to a lot of professional development as well. So, how do you switch again to your official DepEd Canva team? So kapag nag-login kayo via SSO, ang mangyayari is automatically, if you log in via SSO, may prompt na lalabas sa inyong screen na welcome to the DepEd official team. So how we segmented it is all of the teachers are mapped according to region. So for example, ako ay taga Region 8 lalabas, welcome to DepEd Region 8. Okay, pero you're all under one organization naman. So, in order for you to actually check your files from your previous team or gusto mo lang makita yung previous team mo, punta lang kayo sa upper right portion of the screen and then you can toggle there yung personal team nyo at yung DepEd label team. Ayan. Yeah, okay. And then just a few technical requirements if you want to access Canva. So if you have a desktop and mobile, it works on Google Chrome. So it's version 86 or higher. It's available on Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. It's also available on iPhone and iPad as mobile apps. It's also available as an Android app. And you can also install the desktop if you would want. So pwede siya sa Windows, pwede rin siya sa Mac. So, there. Just take note of the requirements. Pero, we believe that most naman ng mga DCP at mga personal laptops and teachers can access Canva. Okay.